I'm Dr. Manika Das, senior resident from Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. Today I have been participating in ARSICON 2024, and as a part of it I have got the opportunity to visit the Medical Cobotics Center in IIT Delhi. I have got a very unique experience where the medical personnel got to meet the engineering counterparts from the industry, and we got to have hands-on on many simulators which can be used for training and practice purposes. Also, we got to interact with many people with startups for the medical field, and we could give our inputs from our grassroots level. I think this center is a very unique combination of the medical and the engineering field, and will help to bring up innovations which will be practical and useful in our medical field in future for throughout the country. Thank you.